Okay folks, thank you for touring our one bedroom unit here in Flushing. It's a nice corner unit, which is really desirable because the perimeter walls for the majority in this unit are exterior walls. So, you know, as you can see, when you have a corner unit, your neighbors are the outside for the majority. And that's a good thing, it's quieter. Great layout in this unit. When you enter, you have your small corridor space, excuse like the tarps. So we want to thank you folks for coming by today and touring. We really appreciate you. So when you enter the unit, you have a small little corridor space, and then it opens up into a living space. This area can be used as a foyer. It does have a foyer, living room, sliding door closet, or you can dine inside of, because there is an eating kitchen, but this can also double as a dining area. It is a formal foyer though, with a formal foyer living closet. Before we go into the living room and the bedroom and the bathroom, let's go into the kitchen. Very traditional eating kitchen. Got like a little small space in the back where you can kind of set up a table there, perhaps. Okay. It's a corner unit, so the wall behind me is an exterior wall. It's really sunny here in New York, depending where you're viewing. Lots of cabinet space, lots of closet space. That's one thing this unit definitely has, lots of cabinet space in the kitchen, lots of closet space throughout the unit. All right, so we're back in the foyer area in the living space again. Let's continue. Folks, this unit has just been recently vacated, so if you see things, you see like scuffs on the wall or paint chips or things of that nature, notice that, just know that it's just been recently vacated. We're in here early. All this stuff is going to be repaired, and it's going to be in tip-top shape when you do take delivery of your new residence. So we just get in here early because I'm not sure if you're familiar, but New York, it's a very competitive, fast-paced market. A lot of these listings also have multiple brokers working on it, so it's first come, first serve. And we sometimes have to get in here. It's like the same way when you watch TV and you watch them showcasing a construction site on those real estate shows, and people are getting in pre-buying before the construction when they're developing. It's similar in a way. You're kind of seeing a recently vacated unit, so it's kind of like a little bit under renovations. We've toured so far the living space, the foyer, the kitchen. Now we're in the eating kitchen. Now we're in the bathroom. Nice, I like well, you always bring your own, but it has like a nice overhead rain style shower head. You do have a mirror. We can always request that being replaced, being the bottom of it is a little chipped. Okay, so again, we're in here early. Have your construction hats on, folks. Your renovation vision hats on. Envision it in its best light, because that's what it's gonna look like when you're in it. Speaking of in it, we're in the bedroom. Okay, folks. Notice there's functional windows in every single room. This room has 3 windows perpendicular from each other. It really makes for great ventilation, also light. The unit does face west this direction, north this direction. Notice the double sliding door closet, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4. And 2 of the 4 are sliding, so it's like having 6 closets in here, right? That's like having 2 in 1. The bedroom's like 2 in 1. That's like 4 closets, plus the 2 in the around the bathroom, the linens. And those aren't linens; those are big. All right, folks. Oof, ceiling light in the living room. That is crucial. Speaking of light, folks, if you decide you wanted to move forward, reach out to us. If you decide you have questions or you wanted to tour, reach out to us. We're here to help. All right. Thank you for your time.